Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video of our C++ tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned to install Visual Studio Code for C++ on Windows 10. And in this video, we will write our first program. So let's start. I have created a folder with the name CPP tutorial series. I'll open this folder with VS Code. I'll create a file with the name p1.cpp and enter. We'll write our code here. I'll write the basic structure of the program and then I'll explain each and everything. In our first line, we have included #include. This statement is used to include header files into the program. Header file in this case is IOStream, which is short for input-output stream. It enables the program to take an output or take an input or display an output on the screen. This is our main function. We have our curly braces here. Everything that this function will include will be written within these curly braces, and execution of the program will start from the main function. Will start from over here within the main function. You will write many functions, but main is the most important function, and a program cannot run without our main function. These small brackets should indicate that this main is indeed a function, and all function will have these small brackets, and it shows that the main or any other name written here is a function. And each function will have a return type. Main in our case will always have an int as a return type. You will learn more about return types in our as we go on. So if you want to display anything on the screen, you need to write this statement: std : cout stream extraction operators and quotation marks. If anything that you write within these quotation marks will be displayed on the screen as it is. So if we want to write hello world, and end the statement with a semicolon. If you run this program, you'll see that hello world is displayed on the screen as it is. Cout is used to display anything on the screen, and stream extraction operators are used to extract the output and display it on the screen. These go side by side. And if you want to display any other thing, you can go on the next line and write the same thing: cout welcome to crypto coders, and end the statement with a semicolon. If you display it, you'll see that both of these statements have been displayed on the screen, but you can see there is no space, or here we have written both of these in different lines, but here they are displayed on the same line. So to solve this problem, you can use another stream extraction operator. Again, write std : end l. End l is a statement that is used to show end of the line. So if we run it now, you'll see the line ended here, and welcome to crypto coders is displayed on the next slide. So if you see here, we have to write std : every time. So this is a bit tedious. So if you want to get rid of this, you can include another line at the top of below our #include IOStream line. You can write using namespace std. If you write this, there is no need to write std : every time. So you can just get rid of these, and the program will execute as it is. Hello world and welcome to crypto coders. Well, this is it for today. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.